Welcome to Sliver and Bite TV. Let's make Caesar salad. Caesar salad was created in the early 1900s in Tijuana, Mexico. The salad has evolved somewhat since the early 1900s to a much more elaborate salad we know today. However, I will create the original and a modern version of the Caesar salad. First off, start by chopping up your lettuce. Ordinarily, you would use Romain lettuce. However, here in Australia and at this point in our seasons, I am using cos lettuce. You'll notice that I'm shaving the Parmigiano-Reggiano cheese onto the salad, not grating it on. Whilst finely grating the Parmigiano-Reggiano cheese onto the salad has its benefits. Coverage-wise, I find it much more elegant to shave the cheese on. Pour on a healthy dose of the fresh Caesar salad dressing. If you would like to learn how to make the Caesar salad dressing, click the banner above. At this point, I'm just tossing it in my large bowl, but you'll notice that I will use the tongs to zhuzh it up just towards the end, just to make sure that every lettuce leaf is coated in the Caesar salad dressing. And then grab your serving tray or bowl or plate. And I am just cracking some of the rustic croutons over the top of the salad. I find that you can never have enough croutons, so I will also put a few more on once I tong this onto the serving platter. Now, this is the original version of a Caesar salad. Romaine lettuce, croutons, Parmigiano-Reggiano cheese, and your salad dressing. That's it. Nothing else. No bacon, no avocado, no eggs. It is essentially a side salad. We have created and beefed it up so much over the years that we've made it a main meal. Just shaving on a few more bits of cheese. Amazing for presentation, but also adds to the taste. So setting that to the side, and now I'm going to create a modern Caesar salad with all the trimmings. Cutting some additional cos lettuce. I'm cutting into large chunks. However, you can slice into fine ribbons. This certainly makes it a lot easier at the dinner table to pick up with your fork. I pan-fried some chicken. I didn't put any seasoning on it because I didn't want to take away from the taste of the Caesar salad dressing. Just dicing that roughly and then throwing that over the top of the cos lettuce. Sprinkling over my pan-fried bacon. I have 3 anchovies here that I will just finely slice and place over. I'm a fan of anchovies. I probably would put a few more in because when tasting this salad, I couldn't really taste their presence. Give that a little toss before putting on some of the Caesar salad dressing. Now, with the heavy items in this salad now. I will use the tongs after a quick little toss there because it all falls to the bottom. Using a peeler to slice off some of the Parmigiano-Reggiano cheese over the top. Some rustic croutons. Bringing over my serving platter, ready to tong on the salad. And then digging around the bottom of the bowl to make sure you're getting all the chicken and the bacon. I also pan-fried some tenderloins to finely slice and present over the top of the salad. And now to finish off the protein portion of the salad, a hard-boiled egg. And this is why we have a Caesar salad on our main menus these days, because there is such a large quantity of protein. Just putting a few extra croutons and then a nice little drizzle of the Caesar salad dressing. There you are, a simple Caesar salad and a Caesar salad on steroids. Thanks for joining me. See you soon.